we can finally say goodbye to the crazy year of 2020. If you started investing in 2020, you know it was a very exciting year with many highs and lows in the stock market. But just because the year is ending doesn't mean that your investments do. How about 2021? What are some investment tools that you should keep an eye out for? Here are 3 investment tools we think you should look out for. Disclaimer first, this is neither a buy or sell call. We're just suggesting you keep an eye out for them. Okay, here we go. Number 1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been around for over 10 years, but recently, the mysterious cryptocurrency has been hitting new highs every other day throughout 2020. Some claim it's an excellent hedge against inflation and a way to have complete control over your money. Others claim it's too volatile and has no real-world application. What we do know is that both camps can't deny the meteoric rise, gaining over 238% this year. Want to know more about what Bitcoin is and how it works? Check out our video here. Other than Bitcoin, keep your eyes open for other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Ripple. As Bitcoin rises, both Ethereum and Ripple may follow along. By the way, if you invest 500 ringgit worth of cryptocurrency through Luno, you get 50 ringgit worth of cryptocurrency for free. Just apply our code MrMoneyTV50 when you sign up an account with them. Number 2, US stocks. If you're in Malaysia, chances are you're invested in Bursa Malaysia. Like it or not, while our stock exchange has made some very exciting movements in 2020, there are a lot more exciting stocks that aren't listed on our market. Think of Tesla, who has increased by 708%, and Apple, who has increased by 70% this year alone. Having stocks in foreign markets is a great way to diversify your stock portfolio and reduce the risk that comes with concentrating all your eggs in one basket, or country in this case. Psst. Imagine if another political event were to happen, even your fundamentally sound Bursa Malaysia stocks will take a hit along with the whole market. So having invested in the US market can allow you to hedge against political and currency risks. If you want to get started with investing in foreign markets with highly competitive fees, try Tiger Broker. Want to hear what we have to say about Tiger Broker? Check out this video here. If you have a smaller sum to invest, but you're still interested in foreign markets, check out eToro, where you can purchase fractional shares for as low as $50 rather than a whole unit. Feel free to check out this video here. Just like Tesla's rise, you can help us rise through YouTube's algorithm by liking this video. Done? Awesome! Just as Peter said, you have a heart of gold. Which brings us to our next point, gold. Gold has always been known as a valuable commodity for its protection against inflation and its ability to grow in value over time. You can see the price of gold surge whenever an economic recession happens. This was definitely the case in 2020 when gold prices hit an all-time high of $2,070 per ounce. In the past, investing in gold was very mafan. You gotta buy one gold bar, which is very expensive. Then you need to carry that gold bar, and then where do you store it? What if someone robs you? There's so many things to think about. These days, investing in gold can be very easy and affordable. You don't have to buy the actual gold bar unless you really want to. Many online gold selling platforms make investing in gold affordable and also provide gold storage services. One of them is Quantum Metal, a highly reputable Perth Mint gold distributor. Want to know about Quantum Metal and what this whole Perth Mint gold is? Check out this video here. By the way, did you know that you can start investing in gold with Quantum Metal with just 10 ringgit? Now you do.